Cooking with Kyler. Okay.
Today we're making mushroom goat cheese tartlets. Mini pies.
Really good. Who are we having with us?
My best friend, Dylan.
Hello, Dylan.
Hello. Today with our recipe, we're using puff pastry.
It comes frozen, so you have to let it defrost for about 35 to 40 minutes.
I'll just pick up all of you.
Where's the one I get? Where's the one I get to do? You're gonna take turns. And we just want to score it like this. So it almost looks like a little bit of a pie crust. Whisk her up.
I'm beating the egg.
Brush. This is now our egg wash, okay?
I can't wait to try this. Jinx.
Now with mushrooms, you don't want to rinse them. Just tear the caps, break them in half. You don't have to go too small either because these are gonna shrink when you saute them. Careful not to touch the side of the pan because it's hot.
Clean kitchen is a happy kitchen.
You should always taste as you cook. Just a small amount, right?
Do I need more than that? In my tum-tum. Cut.
And then we're gonna put it right on top like that.
Yummy. Yeah. No, that's mine. Next.
Right, and then sprinkle.
425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we bake it for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go do that. 20 minutes. Oh my god, this is a cake.
Yeah.
I know, there's like little mini pies.
Woo! Be inspired,
Get creative, and include the kids.
We'll see you next time. We need wooden spoon. Where's that wooden spoon?
Good.
Wow. Okay. Did you bring that? Thank you.